We'll guide you through how to share links using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Now, in the chat interface, you'll see a text input box at the bottom where you usually type your queries. To share a link, simply paste the URL directly into this input box. ChatGPT will automatically format it as a clickable link when you send it. Make sure the URL is complete, starting with either HTTP or HTTPS, so that it's recognized as a link. After pasting, press enter to send it. The recipient on the other end will see the link in the chat feed, and they can click on it to open in their browser. If you're sharing a link to a website, make sure the site is reputable to avoid any issues. If the link is lengthy and you want it to look cleaner, you might consider using a URL shortener before pasting it into ChatGPT. This is especially useful for sharing on platforms with character limits. Remember, sharing links via ChatGPT is simple, but always double check the link to ensure it directs to the intended content. This method works seamlessly for sharing articles, videos, or any other web content. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.